Good afternoon. This is Tim Troutman here at the National Weather Service in Riverton. Here is an update in relation to the strong spring storm that's going to produce some significant snow across the region between tonight through Thursday and even into early Friday. So right now, these are the winter storm warnings that are in effect for portions of Lincoln and also into western Sublette counties. Also along the Wind River Range, the eastern section of the Wind River Range, and into the Lander foothills. That winter storm warning is in effect until 12:01 a.m. on Wednesday through 6 p.m. Thursday. There is a winter weather advisory for the remainder of Lincoln County and a good portion of Sweetwater County from midnight tonight until noon on Wednesday. And also for the rest of Fremont County, portions of Hot Springs County, also Natrona, and up toward the Buffalo area, and just about all of Johnson County and the Bighorn Range there. That's where the winter storm watch is in effect from noon Wednesday until 6 p.m. Thursday. So the heaviest snow in most locations is expected between Wednesday night and Thursday. So just taking a look at the amounts that we're going to be seeing across the region. Forecasted snow from tonight through Thursday, we're going to be looking at in the Lander area and the foothills there, could be looking at a foot to 18 inches, Riverton 8 to 12 inches, Jeffrey City 6 to 8. There's a good swath there across northern portions of Sweetwater County and then and around that area to a good section of Natrona County. And that could be around 3 to 4 inch amounts, 4 to 6 inches, of course, in some higher isolated areas across Thermopolis over to KC, and then lesser amounts in the northern sections of the state. So again, the heaviest snow between Wednesday night to Thursday morning. And there does still remain some uncertainty with these amounts due to the warm surface temperatures that we have been having and the higher sun angle of April. So impacts will be varied and winds will increase impacts in the southern portions of the state, and areas under showers can expect very low visibility as we move through this time period. So looking at the probability of 4 inches of snow or greater through Thursday, you can see from the Lander through Riverton and up toward the eastern sections there of Hot Springs County in this area here, greater than an 80% chance, almost to at least a 90+% chance in the Lander area over toward Riverton, and those areas definitely are going to see the bulk of the heaviest snow. So probability of 8 inches or snow or greater, you can see there from about Lander, where you've got about an 80% chance, and then extending lesser amounts to about 50 to 60% to about Riverton, and then through those areas that I'm circling there with the cursor. So, quite a bit of snowfall expected through Thursday. And this is a probability of 12 inches or greater of snow through Thursday. You can see that bullseye still from about Lander extending just a few miles east of Lander there, about a 60 to 70% probability of at least 12 inches or greater. So maximum winds tonight and Wednesday are in the wind corridor are going to be strong with gusty winds. Looking at some max winds, gusts between 39 to 40 miles an hour from Green River to Rock Springs, and quite a few areas are going to have between 25 to 30 mile an hour range from Sweetwater County up into Fremont and over toward the western sections of Natrona County. Strongest winds are expected between 6 p.m. and midnight tonight. So with that, and those strong winds combined with the new falling snow could create poor visibility and slick roads along I-80 through the wind corridor. Near record low high temperatures are expected on Wednesday with the cloud cover and the snow. Only looking at highs, generally around 30 from Lander up to DuBois, and into the mid 30s to around 40 degrees elsewhere across central and western Wyoming. And that's 15 to 20 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Continuing similar temperatures, maybe just a little bit warmer on Thursday. Again, still 15 to 20 degrees below normal through this time period. So, it's important to be ready for the storm. Here's some winter storm safety tips. Please share your travel plans with friends and family. Make sure you get that latest updated weather forecast. Check road conditions at yoroad.info with YDOT or 511 you can dial. Drive slower, give emergency vehicles and snowplows plenty of room along the route. Make sure you have an emergency supply kit if you have to do any traveling. Make sure all those items that are listed there are in that supply kit. Make sure you have 2 to 3 layers of lightweight warm clothing and cover your extremities, including your ears and your hands, as they are definitely susceptible to frostbite if you're outdoors very long. So to keep that in mind, a winter storm watch means that conditions are favorable or possible for winter weather in the near future. The mountains, that would be 12 plus inches of snow, and the lower elevations, 6 plus inches of snow. Winter storm warning, hazardous winter weather is occurring, imminent or likely. In the mountains, 12 plus inches of snow expected. In the lower elevations, that would be around 6 to 12 inches expected. Winter weather advisory criteria for snow would be in the mountains, 6 to 12 inches expected, and the lower elevations, 3 to 6 inches expected. So please take a look at our website at weather.gov/Riverton. You can always call us at the Weather Service at 1-800-211-1448 for more information about this upcoming event. We're on Twitter and Facebook, so it's going to be very important to keep a close watch to the weather as we head through Wednesday through Friday of this week, and everyone be safe and be careful. Thank you.